friends, Running Kimono. In today's video, we're going to see if the shoe eraser actually works. I purchased this over at the Dollar General for exactly $1, and we're going to put it to the test. If you watch my videos or follow my hauls on Instagram, you know that I do like the Converse women's shoes, Chuck Taylors, whatever you want to call them. They have a white sole that does pick up a lot of dirt, and I haven't had a lot of time to really give them a thorough scrubbing, but in all of my photos I'm always rocking some filthy shoes. I'm not a dirty person, I promise. I have been waiting to use this shoe eraser to see if it actually works, so all in science. To really put this to the test, I also want to put it next to the Mr. Clean eraser. So the shoe eraser found for $1 at the Dollar Tree, Dollar General, a little cheaper at $1. Dollar Tree would be $1.25. It has this sponge at the bottom, and the top feels exactly like a Mr. Clean magic eraser. It is a very similar consistency. So these are pretty dirty, and we're just going to wet them down a little bit and then give them a little scrub-a-dub-dub. Water. You always have to wet down a magic eraser, so I thought that would, work with this. And this is a lot smaller than a magic eraser too. And right off the bat, a little bit of scrubbing. And watch this, guys. That's just a couple passes. That's a big chunk of the eraser gone right there. This is definitely a one-time use, not something that you'll use many times. I just cleaned the one pair of shoes, and after a couple of swipes, it was like falling apart completely. And it's the same consistency as a Mr. Clean magic eraser as well. But like, look at the good job that it does. It really, every scuff and dirt from any store I've been in the last couple of months is completely gone. And these Converse shoes have a really cool webbing in them. So for the summer months, if your feet sweat like yours truly, they really breathe nicely, these ones specifically. And I'm really trying to get into all the nooks and crannies, and it really kills the sponge really quickly. And I bought these shoes at dsw.com for I think under like $50 or something like that. Every year I get a new one. Okay, part 2, Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. It's this little sheet thing that they used to sell back in the day. I had to double this up because it is so thin. I knew right away that magic eraser would just like fall in half. So this is what I did. I just doubled it up. And on the other shoe, we're doing the exact same thing. And no mystery here. I think the products are quite similar, so it is a very similar finish. The magic eraser is also falling apart, but it's those tinier sheets instead of a full magic eraser. But magic erasers tend to just fall apart quickly too. And just wetting it down like I did with the other one, and they're looking pretty new. The shoelaces still look dirty, but yeah, it's doing the job. And I don't know why I waited till now to do this today, like in the middle of August. Why didn't I do this last month? Because my shoes looked so filthy, but now they're looking already so much better. Just to show you, after washing both of the shoes or scrubbing them down, the shoe eraser is dead, as is the magic eraser. Some of you are probably like, I'll use it a couple more times. And I did give my other pair of Converse shoes a little bit of a wash down, but I'm going to have to use some like maybe Dawn power wash on the sides or something like that, because these erasers, they are just falling apart. So that is it for $1. I think it's worth a try. But the magic eraser may be a better value than the shoe eraser. You get a little bit more, like a fuller one would probably go a long ways to clean many shoes. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.